Hey guys, Brianna and Brendan here. Married in the summer of COVID, we were ready to start a life of adventure together, ready to take on anything. After a couple years of wedding planning, new jobs, house hunting, losing a baby and gaining a puppy, and finding what it truly meant to become one, we are now ready to set sail. Ready to pursue our dream of finding true serenity and adventure in our moments of relaxation together. The pursuit of making Christ and each other priority. Tag along with us. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3.
You smell like pee?
That was really rude of you.
Professional.
Oh, I already messed it up.
Hi, I'm Brendan.
And I'm Brianna.
And we're the Thompsons. We met approximately 8 years ago at church, and we have been married since 2020. Got married in the year of COVID.
Yeah.
Quite the time. We love to adventure and to get out in the outdoors and just have fun outside, and that has brought us to our love of the water and now starting to sail.
The first 2 years of our marriage was a lot of ups and downs. There were a lot of roller coasters. Brendan starting a new job and me quitting my job and starting an at-home job and then picking up other jobs back and forth. It was just a lot of trying to figure out what it is like to be married. We lost a baby during that time. We also got a puppy, Asher. After all of that, we just, with our jobs being so crazy all the time, Brendan being a state trooper and I am a director of a human trafficking and prostitution ministry, we definitely needed to find a place of serenity, a place where we can actually find peace, and just our day-to-day craziness. We needed something. And so knowing that we both had a love for water and just a heart that wanted to be out on the water as much as we can, and sailing was kind of the answer for that. And that's kind of where B&B Serenity came to be.
So, to get out on the water, we needed to find a sailboat. And being on a limited budget that we are, it was really hard to figure out how we were going to fit sailing into our lives on that budget, because as many of you know, sailing or boats in general are just a pricey item to own and to maintain and to just be around. We came up with the idea of buying a fixer-upper, and something that was going to take a lot of hands-on effort to get out onto the water, for two reasons. One, it's a lot cheaper than going and buying a fancy new Beneteau. And
here is a look at the Oceanus Yacht 54. Very cool.
Things.
Nice.
The second reason is, well, really three reasons. The second reason is so that we are very well accustomed to what our boat is made of, how it's made, know how to fix things that are broken on it. And then the third being just learning how to sail, because neither of us have ever been on a sailboat before.
Well, I was on our sailboat when I was an infant. Does that count?
Well, sure. So, which brings us into where we got our sailboat.
Yeah.
Our sailboat is a 2001 McGregor 26X. It was her grandpa's, and it sat for several years after he had hip replacement surgery and could no longer be out on the water as much as he wanted to. And as you will see, it is needing some repairs and just some general maintenance and hard work to get it back up and seaworthy again. And that's where our story starts. With that being said, we look forward to bringing you along with us on our journey to experience B&B Serenity.
Here's what's to come. Thanks for watching,